What is going on out there? Today marks day 2 of our Sturgis adventure for 2018. Morning. I'd like to take a moment to quickly thank our sponsors for this trip: Custom Dynamics, Sounds Custom, Senna Bluetooth, Rogue Rider Industries, Rick Rack, and Rever. Check them out in the description below. What's up, everybody? So here we are, made it to town. Kind of been a slow morning. We've been just relaxing and getting things together, which is just absolutely fine. So we're gonna start out the day heading to Deadwood. And if you are new here, I just want to let you know that my name is Manuel. This is my YouTube channel, Touring Midwest. This is our 2018 Sturgis Motorcycle Rally coverage, and if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. It will not cost you a thing, but it'll keep you up to date and notified every time I upload a new video or go live. Not too much going on in Custer yet.
Nah, it's early.
Yeah. I don't know, like the 76th anniversary, this is the way it was the whole week. Like,
Right.
I mean, you could just pull into town and park anywhere, which was awesome.
Right.
We're gonna take a right at this light. It's really crazy how many road glides there are now, like over the last few years versus, I don't know.
Yeah, I agree that now where I used to always see them was down south.
Okay.
They were always popular down south for some reason.
Okay. Yeah, it's like after 16, they just started popping, like after I got this one, they just started popping up everywhere.
Yeah.
And the funny thing is, it kind of sparked the interest in the old ones too. So it's like, if a guy couldn't go out and buy a brand new one, he was like, well,
Find a used one.
yeah. So it kind of made those more popular as well for some reason. I think it's just because like there's this whole culture behind road glides now. It's like a big thing.
Right. I think, it's not as much of a secret as it used to be.
Right. I don't know. I think I'm in 4 different road glide groups on Facebook,
Are you?
just like specifically for road glides. And they're like, if you post a picture of anything else, you're just going to get banned. One of them was so serious, it was like, to even get in, they would check your personal profile, and if you didn't have a picture of a road glide or something to do with the road glide on your page, like they won't even let you accept you in there.
Wow.
Photo opportunity.
Road pics. There's a guy that sits on the tail of the dragon every day called Killboy, and if you go through there, he gets your picture.
Yeah.
Yep. I don't think he misses anybody.
No.
Then, you can buy him off of him and everything.
Yeah.
But he gets pictures of everybody going through there. Pretty cool, really.
Yeah, it is. I bet these guys have to make a fortune.
Oh, I'm sure.
Like during a rally week like this,
Right.
I bet they just make a full load of money. That's a crazy looking thing.
Yeah, it is. I guess it's a trike of sorts.
Yeah. Yeah, you see some interesting machines out here. It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
The last few years now, start seeing a lot of like the spiders and the slingshots.
Slingshots, yeah, I've seen quite a few slingshots just in the last day or so.
Right.
Pulling trailers and everything else.
Yeah.
You're starting to see more slingshots back home.
Right. They look fun to ride. Like even the slingshots, a couple of years ago when we were out here, Polaris had a deal in Sturgis, and they had a stunt show, and a guy came out in one of those slingshots, and man, he was just tearing it up.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I mean, you know, they do look fun, but...
Yeah, I mean, it's more like a sports car, really, than anything.
Yeah. I had a customer that last year traded in his Road Glide Special and bought a slingshot.
It's an interesting choice.
So I was like, so you traded your Harley for a slingshot? I gave him crap, you know, but I get it. I mean, he said, like, the whole time he's had motorcycles, his wife never once asked to go for a ride. Like, she would ride with him, but she never said, hey, let's go for a ride. And now that they've got the slingshot,
she asked.
Yeah, she wants to go, you know?
Right. I get it.
But I think he's already starting to miss having a bike. I mean, he likes the slingshot, but...
Right, well, it's a whole different experience.
Yeah. I always have to remember that going this way, they don't have to stop.
Right.
I don't know why these people did, but...
It was nice of them.
Yeah, for sure.
I imagine as much money as the rally brings in, people are, in general, fairly courteous.
Yeah, I mean, we've always had really good experiences with people out here. I'm sure there are people that... Well, in fact, I know there are people that just, like, go on vacation this time of year. You know?
Right, because they don't want to deal with it. And I can understand that. As much as I like to ride, you know, if I didn't, I probably... You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I hear the same thing about Daytona Bike Week and stuff, you know. Or like a friend of mine, he lives by a NASCAR track, and he's like, you know, you just get your stuff in and stay in all weekend.
Yeah. I think a lot of people do like the Airbnb thing, you know, where they'll just rent their house out for the week and just...
Right. Well, yeah, they probably make good money doing that, you know?
Oh, yeah.
They're probably more than pays for their vacation.
Right. We are here in Deadwood, South Dakota during the morning, Sunday morning here, and it's already packed. My philosophy has always been come to Deadwood early because otherwise you won't be able to find a place to park, and we came early, but we almost didn't find a place to park. It's pretty full already. Still not as bad as in 2012 when I was here, but yeah, it's definitely busy. So we're gonna check out the town, see what's going on. Jello shot.
Yeah, for $1. You can't get much better than that. Oh,
What are your free samples?
Free samples of pulled pork. We're actually having. You'd be faster than all of us.
Things are definitely hopping up here in Deadwood already. This is gonna be an awesome rally, you guys, so definitely stick with me, stay tuned. So we're walking by this restaurant in Deadwood, the Eagle Bar and Steakhouse. And there's a guy putting food out on the counter outside, and he said it's free. So, like, they made extra for some reason, whatever reason, so they're just giving it away. So I was like, freaking right, I'll take it. So we're eating at the Eagle. Ed's actually waiting for his food because he didn't want the free one, but that's okay. I'll take it, and it is good. Good. Here, check this out. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it fell apart, but I'll put it back together, don't worry. Yum. So good. Yeah. So that's the garlic one?
Yeah, garlic.
I wonder what mine was, because mine looked different than that.
Yours has bacon, this one doesn't have bacon.
Oh, okay. It was good. I mean, it was good.